How to make Facebook account completely private. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and then tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen. Further, tap on the settings and privacy option and then tap on settings. Here you will see the option for privacy checkup. So tap on the privacy checkup option and now under the who can see what you shared tab, simply tap on the set future post option to friends and now go ahead and set all the option you see here to friends or only me. This is one of the most effective way to make your Facebook account private. Additionally, in privacy settings, find the limit past posts option you see there and then go ahead and limit the past posts. Further, go ahead and in settings and privacy again, you will see the option for who can see your friends list. Simply tap on the only me option you see there and with this, no one will be able to view your friend list. You can then tap on the next option you see there and you will be led to the profile and tagging page. Here, go ahead and set the following options to friends or only me. First, set the who can post on your profile to friends or only me, followed by who can see what others post on your profile, and then who can see post you are tagged in. Set all these to friends or only me. You can then review the post that you are tagged in and then review tags people add to your post. Further, you can also set who can send friend requests to you to friends of friends. You can set who can look up using your email to only me and who can you look up to using your phone number to only me too. Now, go back to Facebook homepage and then tap on your profile icon. Here, tap on the three dots you see there and you will see the option for lock profile. Tap on that and this will lock your profile and this automatically applies to strong privacy settings. So these were a few ways on how you can make Facebook account completely private. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.